The EEI, Engineering Economic Indicator. The results are in for April 2021. But if you haven't already seen the MTD EEI, what is it? It's an economic indicator for how the UK engineering sector is performing. It's as simple as that. How are UK engineers doing? Well, we took a scale from 0 to 100. We then asked engineers how they would score their business. As you would expect, we speak to lots of engineers and we get their opinions. We started in November 2020 and the score was 58.2. And as you can see from the graph, it's been up and down a little bit, 54.9, 54.2, back up to 57.5 in February, and in March, 54.2. So from that information, I conclude that engineer was a positive sector because neutral is 50. Over Christmas and March, it slowed a little bit, and then we had a surge at the end of January and into February. Now lockdown is ending for engineers and they are getting busier. So what was the result for April 2021? Well, the result is in. We do need a new roll, whether it's a sausage roll or a drum roll. So for April 2021, it is a whopping 57.1. But why? Well, only you can tell us. So we need your comments. So how are you doing? So if you can put them in LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, wherever it might be. But companies we have spoken to have told us the following. So Technoset scored a whopping 85. Adam and the team have just invested in some new machines. Claydon Precision, 71. It's all about F1. JKN Oil Tools, 70, and that's about quality solutions. RPS Precision, they bought a new twin turret machine. CMG Leisure, 66. They bought 2 new VMCs, and then Wardown Precision, 66 as well. They just got a new slider. So there we have it, a view from some of the many companies we spoke to. But we want your input. So again, please comment on LinkedIn, YouTube, wherever it might be that you're watching this video. So the overall consensus is investment, investment. Generally demand is up, investment and demand is up. So there you go, quite simple. And there you have it. The April EEI for 2021, and it's a whopping 57.1. Let's see how things pan out during 2021.